I don't know about you, but I know I'm ready for the Federal Reserve FOMC meeting tomorrow. What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions, and tomorrow we are going to be hosting our live session. It is going to be free, and it's going to be on YouTube. All I literally ask you to do is smack that like button, get this video to over 1,500 likes. I just want to make sure enough people show up because tomorrow the Federal Reserve is going to report what the interest rate hike is going to be for the month of September. The market is expecting right now a 0.75% interest rate hike. Anything more will simply send the market on a downward spiral. Check this out. So again, want to make sure that you guys are aware of every previous interest rate hike we have right here for this year. July 27th, 0.75%. June 16th, 0.75%. May 5th, 50 or 0.50, right? March, 0.25. What do you guys think is going to be tomorrow? I think it has to be 0.75%. But because we missed the month of September, I do not think a full basis point interest rate hike is out of the question. That's just me, but it doesn't matter what I think, right? It doesn't matter what you think. It matters what's being reported. And even then, it's how the market reacts, right? So I'm super excited to host that live stream. Not only are we going to host the live stream, but we're going to see how the market reacts. How cool is it going to be to see right when the market reacts that we see either a huge push or a huge drop? Because it's not going to be subtle. This one can't be subtle. Literally, the entire market for 2 days has traded sideways. So again, tomorrow, this is going to be September 21st at 2 p.m. We have the FOMC meeting, and we're going to be hosting that on this YouTube channel. You need to drop a thumbs up. You need to subscribe. You need to turn on your post notifications so YouTube alerts you when it is that I go live. What did we say on Friday? Do you guys remember what we said on Friday? Do not be surprised. Again, this was Friday for those that did not know. This is the NASDAQ market or NASDAQ ETF. We all stated and made it very clearly. The market is simply waiting for this FOMC meeting. There's nothing else to it. There's no major report other than this FOMC meeting. The market went up a little bit on Monday. Market went down a little bit today. Based off of our performance on Friday, look at where we're at. Pretty much break even. Surprise, surprise. The king is back, baby. And guess what? I'm ready. Watch that position size. I don't want to hear any crybabies. I don't want to hear any people complaining. You have time. This report does not get announced until 2 p.m. Eastern time tomorrow. Your job as a trader and as an investor is to hold yourself accountable. And I mean this in a very encouraging way. Hold yourself accountable. There's no special secret. Ask yourself, based off of the position size that I have and that I own right now, can I tolerate a pullback? And if the answer is no, then do something about it. Because if you begin to complain like every other bag holder, like every other person that doesn't know how to manage their position size or manage their risk, the AMC, the GME, the BBBY traders, right? The meme traders, the people that don't actually trade, right? You need to be aware of just staying disciplined, staying structured. You shouldn't be afraid to take advantage of an opportunity. If you enter a position tomorrow and you end up in the red, that's not the point. The point is, can you tolerate the time that it will take for your stock to recover? This shouldn't scare long-term investors. This shouldn't scare even day traders. It's just 1 day. Allow the market to react. Who cares? If the market sells off, embrace it. Welcome it. If the market pushes up, embrace it. Welcome it. Trade it. Who cares? It's just 1 day. But the market will react. It's either you prepare in advance by having money available that if the market does dip, you're able to take action. But even if the market does push, you're still able to take action. There is no right or wrong when you prepare, because at least you can tolerate worst case scenario. And if you always take risk management into consideration, you'll always be better off, I can promise you, than every other meme trader out there that holds the stock down to zero. I mean, let's use them as an example. Look at AMC. Where are we trading at now? I thought this thing was going to go up to, $1,000 a share. Let's look at BBBY. $7.60. People were laughing when I began shorting it at $27. I shorted this bad boy down. Why? because we know about pump and dumps. Again, it's the idea of knowing when to call it quits, never being afraid to lock in profits. What about this bad boy? Trading at $204 before, now at $27? It went through a stock split, my bad. Was trading at 120 after the stock split. Now it's trading at 27. My apologies. It's not down that much. It's only down based off of previous highs and current price point, 77%. Again, do you want to be someone that gets caught bag holding with all of your money in a position that's losing you money? Or do you want to prepare for worst case scenario? Because even if the market does sell off tomorrow, you can short the market when you have confirmation, or if you don't like shorting, which I respect, if the market does dip, you can buy the dip. But you can only buy the dip if you prepare now and have money and then buy the dip with it, right? Because if you're fully invested now, thinking that it has to only go one way, you're just putting yourself in a tough spot. And I know you know that. You'll see in the comment section, the people that get offended based off of what I said are the people that never prepare. Look at their comments, look at their emotions through their comments, and let that be an example of what never to strive to be like. It's that simple. So I'm excited for our live trading session tomorrow. It's going to be with the Learn Plan Profit Group. And I'm also excited for our live FOMC meeting. Again, it's all going to be hosted on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you drop a thumbs up. This video needs to hit 1,500 likes by tomorrow, and I will host that live session. Again, if you have any questions about what we talk about, even if you want to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, click the first link down below, send me a direct message via Discord, and let's get you joined into LPP. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. Hope that it earned a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.